What's up, everyone? I'm gonna do a little recap here, and then I got a pickup from eBay, which I'll show that real quick. Cause not anything really great, but Derek Favors bonus shots rookie, numbered 36 out of 49. But I did went to my local card shop today, picked up a box of Select and a box of Innovation and a couple miscellaneous packs of Prestige from this year. So I'm going to start with the Prestige, what I got. Got a Ray McCollum rookie, Alan Crabb rookie, CJ McCollum rookie, Anthony Bennett rookie ×2, Sergei Karasev rookie, Nerlens Noel rookie, Michael Carter Williams rookie, and my hit was Greg Stiesma bonus shots rookie, or I think that's second year auto. Yeah. I'll go with Innovation. I got a Ricky Rubio insert, passing grade. Greg Stiesma, he was following me today. I guess you call that a glass looking card. It's numbered 15 out of 349. I got this gold Miles Plumlee see-through glass card, super short print, 5 out of 10. Julian Stone rookie auto. I got this for my PC out of it, so it's kind of cool. Chandler Parsons game used ball card, number 62 out of 199. And my main autograph was this Jimmer Fredette on card auto, so that's pretty sick. Out of Select, my refractor prisms were Nicholas Batum and Dr. J. White Hot rookies, Nikola Vucevic. All-Star Select insert, Dwayne Wade. White Hot, Russell Westbrook. Kevin Garnett Hot Stars insert. Kawhi Leonard Hot Rookies insert. Klay Thompson Hot Rookies insert. Prism Refractor Kyle Singler Hot Rookies, and that's numbered like 20 out of 25. I got Nolan Smith rookie auto, Markieff Morris rookie jersey auto, numbered to 299. Oh wait, this was a prism too, numbered 106 out of 199. I got a redemption for DeAndre Liggins autograph, but my main hit out of Select, which I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to slow roll it. Definitely one of my favorite players. People know him formerly as one of the Splash Brothers. You can already tell it is about the signature. Boom. Klay Thompson Prism rookie jersey auto, numbered 120 out of 199. I'm going to hang on to this for a while. I intend on getting it graded at some point. I know I said that in like all my videos, but eventually I will be getting these cards graded I've been talking about. But overall, it's a pretty solid box. I think this card right here can fetch close to like 175, around that, if it like grades like a 9.5. So not too shabby. But yeah, everything else is the Chandler Parsons is part of my PC. I'm sure you all know that. But yeah, everything else pretty much is for sale or for trade. So if it's the only thing you're interested in, PM me, or yeah, just PM me, because Google Plus sucks ass and I hate it. That goes out to you, YouTube. Just want to let you know that I hate your system right now. But yeah, PM me. Don't message or don't leave a comment down below because it's gay. So, alright, later.